Meow. I am going to do a quick little kitty gesture sketch for you. Aiming at looseness here. And the beauty of this is that we focus on the bigger picture instead of those fine details and just allow ourselves to loosen up in our drawing style. So just getting those shapes in loosely. Getting those ears up, just kind of like to just get that swing up for the ears, like swing from back and forth from each side. And then we'll bring the edges of the ears down. And get that kind of long-haired cat look with that little tuft on the side of the face. We do have a Facebook group. I'd be happy if you would join us if you're passionate about drawing cats. And you will find the link for that in the description of this video. So I like that I've just got a really good rhythm here. Get those paws in, and this is where I'm noticing that I kind of got too far up with the tail, with the bottom of the cat. We're just getting that in roughly and loosely, quickly. Major learning going on here. Every single one I learn bounds with. And here's me correcting the tail, getting it more in the right spot. It was kind of partway over that one paw. Always correcting as I go. That never stops. Just strengthening up some of the lines that I like. And the undesired lines kind of, disappear a little bit in the process. But they add energy. And they show how I found my way. And that's the beautiful thing about art. The human experience. Just kind of slowing down and carefully deciding which lines I want to reinforce. A little, but this sketch is not one that I would really do a lot of correcting on. It's more that loose energy drawing sketch that I do for practice and preparation for doing more of the same cat. It helps me get to know the shapes. And the next one will be even better. I'm going to sketch a little nose in there. A little bit off center, but we'll fix that. There we go. Just kind of a real quick gesture of a face here. Just feeling out the line for the eyes. Little pocket where I put the eyes in. A bit of a face. Just a bit for fun and learning. I really want to keep the looseness in this little sketch. And there's something beautiful about these sketches, these preliminary sketches. They show true honesty from the artist. They show authenticity and the human aspect. Don't ever disregard your practice sketches as so-called bad art. They are part of the learning process, and if you want to draw well, you have to be willing to draw poorly first. I don't even like to use that word poorly, because as long as you're doing art, there's nothing poorly about it. It's beautiful practice is what it is. So I think I'm going to finish this drawing up here. Well, not finish, but finish the video anyways. And I am so glad that you joined us, and I hope you do subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video, because I have lots more planned. And again, our Facebook group, be sure to join if you're really passionate about drawing cats. Look for the link in the description of the video. See you next time.